Hello students, in this video we will construct a quadrilateral in which 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. So students, measurement of DE is 4 cm, measurement of EA is 5 cm, measurement of AR is 4.5 cm, measurement of angle A is 60 degree and measurement of angle A is 90 degree and measurement of angle E is 60 degree. So here first we draw rough diagram from this information, and here is the rough diagram of this quadrilateral. Now, in quadrilateral DEAR, measurement of DE is 4 cm, measurement of EA is 5 cm, measurement of AR is 4.5 cm, measurement of angle E is 60 degree, measurement of angle A is 90 degree. Now from this equation we draw a rough diagram, and here is the rough diagram of quadrilateral DEAR, and measurement of DEAR is mentioned in this rough diagram. Now with the help of this rough diagram we construct actual quadrilateral. So our first step is we draw line segment EA of 5 cm. Then we construct 60 degree angle at the point E and 90 degree angle at the point A. Students, here is the line segment EA of 5 cm. Now we are going to construct 60 degree angle at the point E. For this, we place tip of our compass at the point E and draw a semicircle of any radius. After drawing semicircle of any radius, do not disturb your compass and put tip of your compass at this point where your semicircle cut the line segment, and mark an arc on this semicircle. You obtain a point here. Now join these 2 points, and it is the angle of 60 degree. Next step is we have to draw an angle of 90 degree at the point A. For this, we place tip of our compass at the point A. Then we draw a semicircle of any radius without disturbing our compass. Without disturbing our compass, we place our tip of our compass at this point where our semicircle cuts the line segment, and make an arc. From this point, make another arc. Now from the first arc, now we place tip of our compass at the first arc point. Now we place tip of our compass at the first arc and draw another arc in the upward direction. Then we place tip of our compass in the next arc, in the next point where the second arc cut our semicircle, and draw another arc which cut our previous arc at a point. Join these 2 points with a line, and we have 90 degree angle. Now it is clear from our diagram. We want our line segment of DE of 4 cm and AR of 4.5 cm. For this, first we measure 4 cm in our ruler, in our compass, and then we place tip of our compass at the point E and make an arc in this line. Again we measure 4.5 centimeter in our compass. After that we place our compass at the point A and make another arc in the upward direction. Where these two arcs cut the arm of angles, we obtain 2 points. Join these 2 points and we have quadrilateral DEAR. In this way you can construct second quadrilateral TRUE. Next we discuss some special cases. For this we start our exercise 4.5 and first question of this exercise is draw a square READ with RE 5.1 centimeter. In first question, first we have to draw an arc RE of 5.1 centimeter. Then from point R we have to draw a ray RX such that angle ERX is 90 degree. From RX we cut a line segment RD of 5.1 centimeter. Similarly at the point E we draw an arc EY such that angle REY is 90 degree. From ray EY we cut an arc of EA of 5.1 centimeter. At last we join ED and READ is the required square. Our second question is we have to draw a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. As we all know that diagonal of rhombus bisect each other. It means they divide diagonals in equal parts. So first we draw here line segment AC of 5.2 centimeter. After that we construct its perpendicular bisector. I mentioned how to construct perpendicular bisector in my previous video. So after constructing perpendicular bisector which intersect our previous line segment at the point O, then we cut off an arc of 3.2 centimeter from the point O in the upward and downward direction, and we join at the last we join AB, BC, CD and DA, and we have ABCD is the required rhombus. Our next question is we have to construct a rectangle with adjacent side of length 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. For this, first we draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. Suppose this line segment is PQ. At the point Q and at the point P, we draw 90 degree angle, and from there we cut 4 centimeter arc. At last we join SR. PQSR is the required square. Our last question is a parallelogram OKAY where OK 5.5 centimeter and KA is 4.2 centimeter long. As we all know that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, so first we draw here line segment OK of 5.5 centimeter. After that at the point K we draw a ray KX of any suitable angle from OK. From KX cut KA 4.2 centimeter. We draw a ray AT parallel to OK. At O, we draw a ray OZ parallel to KA, and OK, AY is the required parallelogram.